Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the heart of the African Horn, or simply Ethiopia. Table of contents. First, I'm going to begin with an introduction, then I'm going to go to geography, then religions and ethnic groups and linguistics, then I'm going to say how colonialism affected Ethiopia, then I'm going to end up with a fun fact, then I'm going to cite my work. Ethiopia, formerly called Abyssinia, is a country in the Horn of Africa. Its capital is Addis Ababa. Due to its large size that covers a range of 437,600 miles, Ethiopia is diverse in terms of geography as it has mountains, deserts, forests, swamps, etc. Here is a map of Ethiopia's geography. Being surrounded by different countries with different religions, Ethiopia's main religions are Christianity, which are 62.5%, and Islam, which are 33%. This is a map of Ethiopia's religions. Ethiopia has a lot of ethnic groups, and the majority being the Oromo, Amhar, Somali, and the Tigrayans. It also has a variety of linguistics, Amharic being the official one. Ethiopia was never colonized, but it got affected by colonialism both positively and negatively. Positively being that colonialism brought education and technology. Negatively being that colonizers misused the natural resources with which didn't even profit the neighboring countries, in this case Ethiopia. Fun fact, did you know that it is thought that Ethiopia is the main place where humans originated from? Because the oldest skeleton was discovered there. It dates back to 3 million years ago. This is my work cited. And thank you very much. If you have any questions, comment down below. I would be happy and very glad to answer them. Thank you.